Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM is seated firmly and the tray is clean. A loose SIM often causes no network. Next, power the phone completely off for 10 seconds, then restart. This clears temporary radio faults. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds and off again to reset radios. Then open Settings, Mobile Network, and ensure network mode matches your plan, for example 4G preferred. Make sure carrier selection is set to automatic so the Huawei can pick the right tower. Next, you perform deeper fixes. Reset network settings to default. This removes misconfigured APNs, VPN, and Bluetooth conflicts that block service. After the reset, navigate to access point names and confirm the carrier APN, username, password, and MCC/MNC match your provider. Enter them manually if missing. Make sure your phone's software and carrier settings are up to date, because updates often include modem and band support fixes. If locked to another carrier, check unlock status and request a code if needed. Finally, isolate whether the SIM or phone is at fault by testing a known working SIM in your Huawei. If that SIM connects, request a replacement SIM from your carrier. If the phone still shows no network, inspect the SIM tray and antenna port for corrosion or bent pins. Small physical faults can break connectivity. Make sure you have not enabled any roaming restrictions. If everything looks fine and the problem persists, contact the carrier to confirm your account provisioning and local tower status. They can run remote diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.